For a sequence, a limit may or may not exist. But these are going to exist. These are going to. So they kind of give you lots of information about the sequences as well. Okay. So the next result is about basically algebra of these lim sup and lim n. So imagine two sequences and their lim sups and lim n. And what should be the relationship between them? Here's the theorem. So imagine I have two sequences A and Bn. Okay, like two sequences. Then lim sup of An plus Bn, where n goes to infinity, must be less than or equal to lim sup of An plus lim sup of Bn, n goes to infinity. And that's the first part of the result. While what should be the expectation? What should be the relationship between lim and factor? What is your guess?
Greater.
Should be opposite. Yes. And plus Bn greater than or equal to limit n goes to infinity. M of An okay. The C part is that if An is less than or equal to Bn, okay, then and the lim sup of An is going to be less than or equal to lim sup of Bn, and lim inf of An must be less than or equal to also lim sup of U. Lim sup of An is going to be less than or equal, bigger than or equal to lim inf of Bn, which is true. So lim inf is also always less than or equal to lim sup as per expectation. I'll prove some parts and leave some of these. Begin. This should be easier. Let Mk is the supremum of what? Supremum of say AK plus 1 and so forth. So that AK is supremum or BK plus 1, so on and so forth. Defining. Then immediately what follows from there, when An is less than or equal to what? Mk, and Bn is less than or equal to Pk for all n bigger than or equal to what? Yeah. सबसे बड़ा होगा. Then it's going to be the case. So if this is the case, what can I say? an plus bn. This must be less than or equal to what? Is that pk for all n bigger than or equal to what? Okay. What does this shows actually that? What is the relationship between this number and these numbers? That's a fixed number, huh? Well, these are lots of numbers. Are these such that they think that each other? Are we going to say that that's an upper bound for me? That's an upper bound for me. So if this is an upper bound for this, then and you take the supremum of basically all these sums, okay, that supremum is going to be also less than or equal to this. Because so if I take the supremum of a1 plus an ak plus bk and ak plus 1 plus bk plus 1 and so forth. Since this supremum is least upper bound, so this least upper bound must be less than or equal to what? Agree? So if this is the case, got it. Just take the limit. Take the limit here for this infinity of this freedom. Okay. Of AK. It's like AK plus BK, AK plus 1, BK plus 1. Well, that's less than or equal to 1. Isn't it? K approaches to infinity MK plus P. Read. ये भाई सब क्या हो जाएंगे? So it's like the limit of the sum is the sum of the limit. This is going to be. So this is going to be lim sup an plus this is going to be the lim sup of b and where n goes to infinity. N goes to infinity. And what you can say about these? So these are supremums actually. So it's going to be what? It's going to be decreasing sequence. Just think about it. Okay? Decreasing sequence. So in other words, if I have this set and its supremum, and if I remove this term and take supremum, what will happen? So it's like what is going to be decreasing. So and the limit of a decreasing sequence is what? Infimum basically. And that is going to be, this is going to be the lim sup basically. Lim sup of A plus B and B. Okay. ठीक है भाई. ठीक है. So y tab should follow from this result of these two pairs. So B could be there. Something very much similar. Y directly follows from this side. Does it follow? take Bn to be 0. So if I take Bn to be 0, and what? This should be self. So the only thing that you need to verify with this, that the lim sup of An is less than or equal to what? So lim inf of An should be less than. It's like lim inf is comparison check correct. So then lim inf is going to be always smaller than or equal. Lim sup is, but for the same C, here you have two different. Anyway, so go part with time. Something simple. That's something simple. That's something that you can really drive from the previous case. Be careful when you are driving whether you can apply this result on C or not.
Sir, C का first part structure खोलना.
Yes. Yes. Think about. I guess that's it from my side today. Okay. And you kind of did almost all important values of lim sup and lim inf. These are fun topics. Don't forget their definitions, some of their important results. And especially, I say that the two key results are one, that if the sequence is convergent, then the lim sup and lim inf are same. And if you have a bounded sequence, then all subsequential limits are going to be between lim sup and lim inf. Enough. If you keep these two definitions, and obviously a little bit of algebra, key concepts in your. You can. Wish you good luck. So,